G'day guys, it's Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. That's right, 10 years, no other channel offers this. Now this is how to reuse a condom, part 2 special. Alright, today, we're doing it. We're getting it sorted, boys. Righto, so obviously, you've watched part 1, you know how to reuse your condom. So you just take it out as you normally would, as a rubber. You just unwrap it, it's very easy, very simple, right? And you just take it out like so. Boom, there you go. Righto. Now we're going to show you some added bonus features which are going to be fantastic, mate. This is going to be life changing, right? So before we get your rubber on, before we get to the reusing test, we just want to show a few of these. So what you want to do is you just want to get a few, just little pebbles, right? And you just chuck them in there like so. Now this is for just a bit of added pleasure, when you're doing the deed, mate. You're going to be feeling them and, you're going to love it, right? So you got them in there like so, sitting in there, lovely. Like you probably want about a pinch or so. That would I would recommend, right? And then once those bad boys are in there, you want to put a bit of salt in there. Now the salt that's just for like all the finer stuff, right? Because, the rocks are a bit thick, right? So you just need the finer rockies, and just get them in there, and then that'll just be the mix, you know what I mean? And then, as you for yourself, boys, you want to get a bit of added pleasure, a bit of a warmth feeling, right? So when you want that warm feeling, mate, just a pinchy peppy, in she goes, mate, and that'll heat her up for you, right? So then you got that on there like so, right? So then you want to chuck them on your noggy, eh? You chuck it straight on your noggy there like so, boys, and then the rockies will sit there at the end there, and then she'll get a bit of a feeling out of the rockies too. So you just want to put that on there like so, and then your rockies will sit there on the tippies, and there you go, right? Now, obviously, all girls, guys, they love the brute, mate, so you just quick spray of that, mate, a bit of added scent, like that. You want to put a fair bit, like, on there when you do it. Not an overkill, but just enough like that, and just a little bit more, and there you go. Right, and there you have it, mate. Smelling good, mate. Got the added feature there like so, and boom, that'll go. Now, I've had a lot of questions, mate, with these reusable condoms. Say they do bust off and break, so we'll break one for demonstration purposes only. Righto, so that'll break there like so. Now, the way to fix that up, quite simple, boys. Just want to get a stapler, right? And all you have to do is just staple that together like so, and there you go, you're fixed. You know what I mean? Staple that corner. Don't worry about that gap there, because nothing's going to get through, because you've got the staples on there like so, so nothing will get through that pain, right? And there you have it, guys. How to reuse a condom. You can use bleach. Bleach is perfectly fine. We'll wrap the video up, guys, but just don't forget that subscribe button. Keep it coming, and Donny's got ya.